Hey, how's everybody doing today? Spike here in the Blue Collar Simulator, and well, I got my clubs marked with these little stickers here. You see them on the shafts there, and that's for the read the club path and all that good stuff, and it seems to work pretty good. So I got one club here with it. Well, I got a bunch with it, but I got a pitching wedge with one, and I got a pitching wedge without one. I'm going to show you what the difference is in the readings, and then I'll show you a little chart that explains it all, okay? So, hey, let's get this done. Hey, and if you hadn't done it, subscribe, would you please? Because most people that watch my videos haven't subscribed. I don't know if it's because they don't like me or just don't, well, I don't know. But hey, if you would, it'd help a lot. So do that for me, okay? Let's hit a couple with this thing, see what it does. Okay, guys, I think this is about the best place on the screen for me to be without getting in the way of the information. If I had to move around, well, we will. It might be in the way of dynamic loft. We have to work on that, so we'll see. Okay, so we're going to get us a ball lined up here. Ready. Machine says ready. So let's just hit a couple and see what happens. Now this one has the stickers on it, so watch what happens. Okay? Look at this screen right here. You've got 5.1 in out. You got 0.9 face. You got a dynamic loft. You got a descending blow on the angle of attack. You got all the stuff filled out. Got that? Now, here's an Adams pitching wedge that does not have that sticker on it. So you ready? Let's see what the difference is. Let's see if it makes any difference. How far did I hit that? 95.4. Okay. Now that's a Adams without the sticker on it. And if you look on the screen, you're going to notice it's 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0. Because without that little sticker, you don't get those numbers. So let's get one of these balls, and here this is the ball with the dots on it. So if you use the ball with the dots and no sticker, well, you're not going to get as good information. But if you use a sticker, it's going to get better. And if you don't use the ball with the dots, well, it's not going to be as good either. So this will pick up spin really good this way. We 6,800 spin on that last one, so yeah. 6,800 again. Yep. About, same difference on the distance and all. See? Real close. Now let's go back to one with a sticker. Got it? One with a sticker right here, okay? See, little sticker on the shaft? This thing's going to pick all that up and let me know what it's doing. So, now, you can see that it gives me all the information that time. Got my angle of attack, got my face, got my in out, well, everything's here. All the things you need when you do this. Now, there's one right there that you can't see because of where I'm standing. Dynamic loft right there. I put myself up on the top out of the way. Let's get a regular ball, a regular ball, and we're going to get one of these. Now, I done a ball experiment earlier today, but you want to get the very best numbers out of this machine. You use one of these balls with the dots, and you use one of these on the shaft. And it will give you all your numbers that you want. But just put that little strap on there. See it? There you go. And they're good. But your best numbers and the best results are going to be from this right here with that ball and one of these on your club, because you've done everything you can to make it get the best numbers. Okay? You got that? That's the way it works. So anyway, let's see. We put a regular ball in here. Now what was that spin? 67? I'm going to try to hit the same shot. Let's see what happens with a regular ball. 64 again. Now let's back up and hit one of these. One of these with the dots, okay? There you go, 7,600. 110. That's a pretty good poke right there for me. Ready? The one thing about this machine is $700, but it gives you more information than anything I've seen for $700. And it's good information. I mean, you got descending blow, you got in and out, you got dynamic lofts, you got face closed. You know what's going on. And this machine allows you to know that. So I'm pretty impressed with what it does, guys. I just wanted to share with you what the information does. There's a little chart there that explains it all. I'm going to show you here. And just look at it, think about it. And if you're going to use one, think about putting these on if you want all the best information. I mean, it's not that bad. And, well, it's not perfect, but I mean, I leave my clubs hanging up like this so they don't go in a bag to beat them up, so they'll be fine. Thank y'all for coming in, guys. I hope you got something out of that that's going to be useful to you. And like I say, if you want the really good numbers, you got to use the balls and put the little stickers on. But if you don't care and you ain't that worried about it, well, y'all watch my other videos. I use all kind of balls, and they usually get on the green anyway. Take care of yourselves and be good. And I'm just going to play golf and enjoy it is what I'm going to do. I got me a little lob wedge out here. I'm just going to chip a few up there and see what happens to them. Okay, so boom. There you go. 61.8 yards, 0.8 degrees offline. And guess what? I got all them little numbers there too. Did you see all that? Yeah, look at all them. See all them down there? We got in, outs, and side spins, and yeah, everything. All the good stuff. You get the information. If you put the stuff in the club, it'll give you the information. Hey, pretty good game. Software for the game, a little bit, whatever. But the rest of it's hardware-wise, this machine's the boss. Y'all be good. I'm going to go play some GS Pro on auto putt. That's working really good. We're going to do that for a while. Y'all be good. See you later. Bye.